Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to access the Seedream 4.5 4K image generator step by step completely for free. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple trick on how to get unlimited generations for completely free. There's no hidden charges in this, no subscription, it is completely free. And note that this is for educational purposes only. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, you're going to go over to your browser, any browser of your choice, and you're going to go over to your incognito mode here. I'm going to start in a new private mode. So I'm using a security browser for this one. You can use any browser of your choice that has a private mode or an incognito mode. You're going to come over to your browser, your search bar here, and you're going to paste in this link. The link is in the pinned comment, so check out the comments. You're going to see the link there. It's in the pinned comments. So it's going to load for a bit. So when you see a notification like this or a homepage like this page is currently unavailable in your region. You can check out the list of countries here. So these are the list of countries available for this. So if your country isn't listed here, you can use a free method, which is using the Touch VPN. You can use the Touch VPN from your Microsoft store and it's completely for free. So this is my Touch VPN and it is connected to Japan. So you can select Japan since Japan is available to use the server. So let's connect to Japan. So you can see here it's already connected to Japan. So I'm just going to refresh this homepage here. So yeah, this is the interface. So you can set your resolution to 4K and you can set your aspect ratio. So I'm going to paste in a simple prompt. And you can also add in a reference image also. I'm going to paste in a simple prompt and let's set our resolution, our ratio to 3:4, and let's click on send. So our image is done generating and you can see the image over here. So you can go ahead and download your image. So when you open the image here, you're going to notice this watermark over here that says AI generated. So we're going to solve that by using, then for the watermark, you're going to go over to this site here, magiceraser.org/watermark remover. You can as well use this in your main browser. So I'm going to upload the image and you can see processing. So you can use this in your main browser or you can use it in your private browser, whichever one you want to go for. And you can see here it has gotten rid of the watermark. So we're going to download this straight. So it is done downloading. So you can see it here, no watermark on the image. So let's try another prompt. Let's use this prompt, a close-up of a young African man standing on the window, and let's set this to 4K also and drag our generated sheet to 1. And let's click on generate. And you can see the results we got. It is done generating. So let's go ahead and download our image. Let's remove the watermark of this one. So let's zoom in. You can see the image we got. So you can still see the AI generated icon. So we've removed the watermark of this one right here. You can go ahead and download it. So here you can see it's showing 6 of 10 times. So we have 6 trials remaining. So what you can do is for you to just copy this link and reopen your private browser and make sure not to accept any of the cookies. So if we open our browser and we're going to paste in the link, as you can see here, as we just refreshed, it has gone back to 10/10 times. So when you can test this multiple times, you can generate unlimited images. All you just need to do is make sure you don't accept any form of cookie and you use a private browser. Then you close your private browser and open it. So let's type in this last prompt and we set this to 4K and let's set this to 3:3, and let's send in our prompt. Set this to 1. Let's send. And you can see the results we got. You can use this to generate unlimited images. You can use this method to get unlimited Seedream 4.5 4K images totally for free. So the link to the AI to and the watermark remover is in the pinned comment. So let me know your thoughts about this video and the video I should do next. If you're enjoying this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to this YouTube channel, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel not to miss amazing content like this. I'm Joseph from Josie Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.